How to make a transparent watermark in Capcut PC. First, go to the stock materials. Find green background. Add to the timeline. Now go to the text tab and create a new text to the timeline. Increase the text duration according to your video. My video is 10 seconds. You can't increase duration later. Now edit the text. Change the font and size to your preferences. Scroll down, look for shadow. Click on it. Increase the opacity. Now select the both text and background layer. Right click. Click on Create Compound Clip. Now import your video. Drag it to the timeline. Select the text layer. Go to the Video tab from right side. Under the Remove Background tab, click on Chroma key. Click on green color with color picker. Increase the intensity. Position the layer. Resize with crop tool. Under the Basic tab, scroll down, find Blend option. Change the blend mode from default to overlay. And that's how you can create transparent text effect in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.